Each year, Bowling Green State University hosts an Expand Your Horizons Fair to kick off the spring semester. This is very similar to Campus Fest in the fall, and it's a curated experience made just for our students to explore, interact, and learn about the opportunities at Bowling Green State University. Now, while this year's Expand Your Horizons Fair looks differently, we also recognize that learning goes beyond the classroom. And I invite you to visit the BGSU homepage on February 15th to discover and learn more about internships and co-ops, education abroad, undergraduate research and creative activities, learning communities, and of course, civic engagement. At BGSU, we believe that our students should be empowered to design their college experience. Expand Your Horizons is just one example of how you can be curious and find an experience aligned with your purpose and passion. And so I challenge you to not just attend virtually, but think differently. Step out of your comfort zone, try something different, and make that connection. I promise you, you won't regret it. Isaac Zimba.